The world of work is changing forever. Artificial intelligence is not just automating simple tasks anymore. It is replacing entire professions, and experts say 50% of current jobs could disappear by 2030. Let us start with the jobs already being replaced today. Customer service representatives. AI chatbots now handle millions of customer inquiries every day with greater efficiency and accuracy than human agents. Companies are saving billions while providing faster service. Data entry clerks. Intelligent automation systems can process thousands of documents per hour, completely eliminating the need for manual data entry in most industries. Truck drivers and delivery workers. With autonomous vehicles becoming a reality, the transportation industry is preparing for a massive transformation. Over 3 million truck driving jobs in the United States alone could be automated within this decade. Radiologists and medical imaging specialists. AI systems are reading X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans with superhuman accuracy. Many hospitals are already replacing radiologists with AI systems that work faster and make fewer errors. Financial analysts. AI algorithms can process market data and make investment decisions in milliseconds, outperforming human analysts in both speed and accuracy. But here is the important truth that most people miss. Every industrial revolution in history created more jobs than it destroyed. The steam engine, the computer, the internet, all of these technologies eliminated old jobs but created entirely new industries. AI will be no different. New roles are emerging in AI training, AI ethics, AI maintenance, and human-AI collaboration. The future belongs to those who learn to work with AI, not against it. The question is not whether AI will change your job. The question is what you are doing today to prepare for tomorrow.